Hello, Microsoft Office users. In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to disabling right-click on Sheet tab in a workbook. VBA script can help you to disable the right-click menu on Sheet tab in Excel. Please do as you see. In the workbook, you need to disable the right-click function on Sheet tab. Press the Alt plus F11 key simultaneously to open the Microsoft Visual Basic for Applications window. In the Microsoft Visual Basic for Applications window, double-click this workbook on the left project pane, then copy and paste the following VBA code into the ThisWorkbook window. Then press the Alt plus Q key simultaneously to close the Microsoft Visual Basic for Applications window. Go to File menu and press Save As. In the Save As dialog box, please specify a folder where you need to save the workbook. Name it in the file name box as you need, and select Excel Macro Enabled Workbook option from the Save As Type drop-down list, and finally click the Save button. Now, the workbook has been saved as an Excel Macro Enabled Workbook, and the right-click function on Sheet tab is disabled while using this workbook. See, that's how it looks like. Awesome. I know this is a bit complicated to understand. This macro code, we have to write, but try to wrap your head around it, and then it's actually not so complicated. I hope that this coding tutorial was quite fun and that you already learned something new here. So, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like, please subscribe our channel for more tutorials related to Excel.